Rainy day in Santa Cruz, St. Elizabeth. As you can see, a lot of traffic. Yeah man, Santa Cruz get some nice rain today. So we are about 3 minutes away from the Santa Cruz town area. So this is what Santa Cruz look like on a Wednesday, 1:45 p.m. So it look like it's a busy day today. Yeah, because you know Santa people them supposed to like a rainfall because you know Santa Cruz town is a very hot area, very very hot place. So we will take a drive through the town center. We will not take the bypass today. We will go into the town center area. So keep on watching True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. As you can see, no dirty up Jamaica. So if you make a left turn, that will take you to the Santa Cruz market area. If you want to buy your food stuff like your plantain, bananas, pumpkin. So I'm gonna take you all straight through the town center. know a lot of persons miss them hometown and them go do their shopping. So this is how it look like on a Wednesday. So a lot of things change in Santa Cruz. Juicy beef moved to a different plaza. So everybody know the old time juicy beef, so you know say move to a different plaza right next to the old one. So if you make a right turn, that will take you up to Coke Drive. If you make a left turn, that will take you back on the bypass on the back road. As you can see, police is tight in the town. So I'm gonna make a left turn. So on your right you have your Jabba Fish Village, where you can get your seafood prepared very well. And also you have the Sherwin-Williams. So a lot of persons don't know that Sherwin-Williams around this side, so take a good look. So if you want your paint, you can drive on the back road side and come to Sherwin-Williams and get your paint. So I'm gonna make a left turn. Sometimes I hear them come to Santa Cruz and tell about the beagle hog pen. So them call it, but you know you call it pig. So it's on your right coming up. So right now we're at the bypass in Santa Cruz. The bypass in Santa Cruz. So on the bypass, you know, you can find the fire station around that side. So if you want to report your fire, your accidents, and any special service, you all need to report it to the Santa Cruz Fire Department. So the fire station is under this is the Santa Cruz Fire Station. You can call 966-2302 or 847-6890. That's the Santa Cruz Fire Department number. Yeah, you know, we all know say fire is very dangerous, and sometimes we are trying to get to the fire department and we are calling 119. That's gonna take a lot of time to reach to the fire department. So you all need to call 110 in case of a fire. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So this is our destination for today.